watching everything around me come undone. I stare right up, no one to watch me dive and touch the bottom. Stuck in a rut, waiting patiently to draw.